So you're a newbie with no tech skills, no experience, no time, and no Mr. Miyagi to show you the ropes.
You're confused because there's so much noise out there. These gurus are pulling you in all different directions, telling you about different tools, different platforms, different strategies, and it's so frustrating.
We were all newbies once, so we know that you still want to turn your affiliate account from $0 to $138 a day, or even $1,282 a day. I'm Paula Marie Roberts.
I am Kafal Bunnybar.
I'm Nanda Brom, and we're going to show you how we broke through the digital wall of making money online. But first off, stop trying to get traffic from the sites that everyone is trying to sell on. Places like Facebook, YouTube, Google, Twitter. They're all so saturated and have already been milked to do the death by an army of ruthless marketers.
Every minute of the day, thousands of people are coming online, all trying to compete with you. And it's only getting worse and worse. The cost of advertising is exploding through the roof, and you need a huge capital just to do paid ads.
We know this because we spent over $18,000 on testing alone and still haven't nailed that campaign motherlode yet. Getting traffic from SEO is practically impossible. We spent a long time creating a blog, and you know what? Nobody is even reading it. And our content took us over 3 days to write.
We thought that making money online and living the laptop lifestyle was a pie in the sky, so out of reach. It took us a long time to realize that all we had to do was to shift and focus our attention to a better source of traffic.
So instead of giving up, we rebel against the gurus. We march to a newer and greener digital territory to reign free, which plunged us into a platform of 478 million monthly subscribers, with people who want to buy.
With an average household income of $50,000, these are the people purposely looking around to splash their cash. So we've created a steady flow of targeted buyer traffic that turns our digital wasteland into thriving gardens of $225, $506, and even $1,521 a day.
You see, the mainstream platforms may have 5 times bigger audience, but they're cheapskates. And there are also 20 times bigger horde of marketers incessantly trying to sell to the same mob. They drive up the cost and making it insanely difficult for you to reach your buyers and customers. So don't be part of the horde. Step out and go to where your buyers actually hang out.
What we're about to show you is an underexploited digital arcader with the highest trust rating and yet remains unknown or easily dismissed by most marketers. It is known for its positive vibe. No politics-orientated keyboard warriors, no pointless debates, and certainly no ugly trolls. Just feel-good visuals for real buyers to browse and buy all day long. No wonder its users keep coming back there to spend their cash.
And for you, it's a happy valley full of low-hanging fruit where you can easily profit with minimal hard work. It's simply the best platform to find people with buyer intent you can get wave organic free traffic. There's no need to spend a boatload of cash on advertising because there's not much competition sharking your customers.
So now you're thinking, I don't know how to do it. I'm new. I have a full-time job. I've got 5 kids. I have no time. I have 10 cats. I have 20 dogs to feed. Well, that's why we've created Zenobia.
We'll show you step by step on how we have drunk and feasted in this digital land of milk and honey to make us 3-figure commissions and more. We'll show you our hacks, tips, tricks, and insider secrets so you won't have to spend more than an hour a day.
Just imagine combining the power of a search engine like YouTube and the magic of evergreen and viral content like your blog, YouTube, Instagram, or other mainstream social media, but without the claws of the competitors. Does that sound rebellious to you? Maybe it is. Just like the warrior queen Zenobia, She was rebellious against Rome, but she was also known to unite her people from multicultural background. And that is what we're doing. We take multiple great elements and melt them into one giant pot of profit.
We will break it down for you and make it everything super simple so that you can start extracting real leads and cash-waving buyers in any niche. No writing pages of content till your fingers go numb, no spending money on ads, no complicated techie stuff, no shooting fancy videos and pretending to be Spielberg.
We simply let other marketers kill each other for traffic, for platforms, and quietly make $138 a day. Epic, epic, epic. Because the truth is, it doesn't matter what you are selling or who you're selling to. If you're not getting organic traffic, you're dead in the water.
Just like Rome overlooked Zenobia until she nearly transformed her realm into an empire equal to Rome, this platform remains unknown or easily dismissed by most marketers. This means a magical combination of super low competition and an abundance of big spenders in a wide variety of niches.
These big spenders are actively searching for products and services, and all you need to do is hand them exactly what they're searching for. Zenobia uncovers secret strategies on how you can passively grow your buyer traffic over time. When we introduce this free-flowing traffic to the hottest selling on-trend offers, it generates us an evergreen daily passive income.
Okay, so we've done all the hard parts for you, figuring out what to do, what tools to use, how to do things, and all you have to do is follow the step-by-step blueprint, and that's it. We even give you checklists to minimize the chance of failure, so it's almost unlikely you'll fail.
You can start generating these cash-waving buyers and turn it into daily commission in just 3 easy steps. Step 1, purchase a copy of Zenobia before the price goes up. Step 2, log in to the members area. Then step 3, collect and monetize your free buyer traffic.
When we started, we paid a ridiculous amount of money on courses and coaching. Between us, we have spent well over $20,000. We thought they were all necessary to make it online.
But we were wrong. We didn't need everything, we just need what works. So inside of Zenobia, we only reveal what has been working for us. Zenobia is a simple solution. Stone cold newbie can make money with it.
We asked our beta testers how much they value Zenobia. We were told not to price it any less than
$97.
Some even said
$150.
Some others even said
$497.
But we know time is tough and we want this to be accessible for you and all of the tech challenge Tinas out there, the busy Barrys and the no time Nolans and the inexperienced Izzies. So, for a limited time only, you are able to pick it up for the price of 2 McDonald's Big Mac meals with no monthly fee ever. And that's not it.
We want to accelerate your results as much as possible, and we are throwing in 4 free exclusive bonuses when you pick up Zenobia today. We give you an in-depth source of knowledge to give you the lingo that 6-figure marketers are using. We show you how to make $250 plus making or selling any products. We show you how to advertise and reach more than 200 million viewers with the campaigns. We give you a list of SEO keywords in hot selling niches for 2021, which is going to explode your profit. And this is all completely free of charge when you take action today.
We're so confident that Zenobia will jumpstart your online business. So how about you take her for a spin with our 30 days money back guarantee, and if for any reason you are not satisfied with Zenobia, you can have every single penny back, no questions asked. But be quick, because Queen Zenobia does not mess around and she rewards fast action takers. Her price is going up every 60 minutes. So the sooner you buy, the bigger the discounts that you get.
So now you have a choice. You can either give up, throw in your swords, and admit defeat, or you can rise up, march ahead, join our queendom of Zenobia, and that are already making us $138 a day, and finally create your dream online business and live the sweet life that you've always wanted to.
So hit the button down below, grab Zenobia before the price increases, and we'll see you inside.